Okay, this is it. I'm gonna open my box. Yes. All right, let's get this party started. Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Lucia, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I am super duper excited because yesterday I received a very special package. I received my Parker handbag from Coach. If you guys follow me and you watch my Get Ready With Me from earlier this week, I believe, you know that I spoiled myself and I got myself a expensive designer bag, and I said that I was gonna wait to film to unbox it. And so yesterday I received my box. I did not open it. I was a very good girl, thank you very much. I did not open it. I'm a little scared because it was pouring rain yesterday and the package stayed outside for I don't know how long, and it was soaked. It dried throughout the day, I mean the night, but I hope that my bag is okay. Okay, so I figured that since I was going to do an unboxing, I was also going to do a what's in my bag video to show you guys what I put in my handbag. But first I'm going to start with the unboxing because I can't wait any longer. So let's get this party started. I'm going to open this. It's a very small box because I got the mini. I got the, what you call it, 18 inches one. I didn't get the big one. And I got one that is only available online. So you won't find this one at the store, at the Coach store, or at Macy's, or whoever sells Coach. Okay, all right, I'm opening this box. Oh, look, it has Coach here too. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. That's how, when you order online, that's how your package, as soon as you open it, you have the brand right away. Okay, I'm scared because I thought the box would be wrapped in like a plastic, sealed plastic bag or something like that. Now I'm really concerned about what the rain may have done to my little bag. Let's see. Okay. It's still humid. I'm scared. It's still humid. Okay. So here, my bag is in there, so I'm gonna open this. First of all, you have like the little logo right here. I got a little card that is a little dense because of the water. Okay, Coach. Oh, there's another paper. What is this? Oh, that's the receipt. It's damp. Oh, Coach, guys, Coach. Listen, Coach, you need to wrap your stuff in plastic. I'm sorry, but things are still wet. I hope my bag is okay. All right, let's get into the bag. So that's where my receipt is. Now let's get to the bag. This is like the dust bag, I guess. This is where you'll put your bag when you don't wear it. Excitement, excitement. You know what I enjoy? I enjoy the excitement of opening it. I enjoy that I first saw this collection in Christmas. And I was like, oh my gosh, but I did not want to spend the money on it. And then, boom, shakalaka. Okay, so let's take out the stuff. So the bag is okay, the bag is not wet. The bag is not wet, it's okay. I'm gonna take that out. How do I take out this thing? Okay, got it out. Here it is. Here's my pretty, pretty Coach bag. Look at how pretty. With the skin, what's called snake skin on the side. This is real snake skin, which sucks, but it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at how pretty the chain is. It's really nice. Like, oh, stop. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, wait. Let me do this properly. I've never done this before, so please bear with me. But okay, so here's for the detail. We got here, there we go. This flower closure thingy is everything. I love it. I am personally not a big fan of the Coach logo print thingy, but on this bag it works. It is dark and it kind of blends with everything. I love this silver like gunmetal color of the bag, and it's like the texture of this against the smoothness of this leather. Everything is leather. I don't believe this is, I'm not sure if this is leather, the print. I don't know if that's leather, but this is leather, this is leather. I love the rivets. Is that how you call it? I'm not sure if that's how you call it. Just the color combination really works. And with my wardrobe and the style that I have, like I'm always in jeans. Like that's my uniform. I'm comfortable in jeans. I just wear a lot of jeans. So this is gonna work very well for me. I love to wear blues. I love to wear whites. You know, and even against a nice blush pink, this can work very well too. I plan on wearing this cross shoulder, but I think you can also wear it, I don't know how, I think you can wear it like as a shoulder, just one shoulder. Yeah, there you go, like something like this. You can do that too, right? And you can also just put the whole thing inside and wear it as a handbag, like going out, you know, if you'll put it in there. I don't know if that works. I'm not sure if that works like that, but you know, you can just, that works too, right? In the back, I have a little pocket where I can slide my phone in there. Can I? No, I have a big ass phone, so this is not gonna work, and it's gonna stretch my flat pocket, so maybe something thinner. Now the inside, this is the 18 inches. It's the smaller version. Here's the thing. I went to Coach and I tried like the regular size Parker. I want to wear it cross shoulder, and I thought that it was just too bulky. I didn't really like how big and square and hard, like it's not something, it's not a soft leather, it's a rigid leather, so it stays very boxy, and I wasn't sure that I was liking the way it felt, so on my body, sorry. So I decided to go with the small version. But the problem with the small version is that it's small, so there's not a lot of room in there. And I'm a mom, and mommy needs to carry stuff. But that bag is not for that, you know. That bag is gonna be to put my cell phone. I don't know if my glasses maybe can fit in there. That's it. No, that's not it. Okay, I still have room for more stuff. Can I put my keys? Let's see if I can put my big fat keys in there. Okay, those are my keys. Okay, the keys fit. My wallet, which I got last Christmas from Coach also, which I really, really like. It's like, I don't know how you call it. Oh, my phone is ringing. All right, so I have my keys, I have my wallet. So the wallet now, I can put it in that little front pocket, which I forgot to tell you about. There's a little front pocket right here, and I can slide my wallet in there and then close. Oh gosh, why is my phone ringing so many times? What? Oh, all right, you guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, I had an important phone call. Now I am putting this phone back in my bag. Oof, God, this is tight. My keys, oh my gosh, I have no room. And that is pretty much all I can put in there, my friends. And voila, that's it. This is it. I don't think I'll put my keys in there, to be honest. I cannot put my keys in this bag. Or I only take one key. Okay, now, seriously, what am I gonna put in this little bag? My phone, my wallet, my car keys, my hand spray. I need my hand spray, dude. Like, there's no way I'm not putting my hand spray. It's a disinfectant spray. I'm a mom. I need my disinfectant spray at all time. Okay? Oh, sunblock. This is my favorite. I mean, I have two sunblocks that I carry in my handbag. Wait, this one. Both of them from Sunbomb. And I like this one because it's like a stick, and I put it on my tattoos when the sun starts shining too hard. And then this one, this one is SPF 50, and then this one is more of a lotion that I would put more on my face, like here on my cheekbones, on my nose, when I'm too much under the sun and I did not put any sunblock on, or on Ella, you know, real quick. So I'm gonna have to choose one out of the two, and this one seems like it looks like it would fit better right here. Okay, so we get more room. I cannot put the sunglasses case in there. This is not gonna happen. So I'm gonna have to wear my sunglasses at all time when I have this bag up. Oh yeah, baby. Never without my Ray-Bans, okay? And I think that's it. I think that's all I need. Wallet, phone, car keys, disinfectant, sunglasses. I think I can still put my sunglasses in there. I think, yeah, it fits. And we're good. Oh my gosh, look at me with my new bag. I have to do a mud shot. I'm gonna do a mud shot, and I will insert the mud shot in there. But oh my gosh, isn't this bag amazing? Isn't it me like 100%? That it screams my name. It's like I'm Louise's bag. You guys better recognize. And you know what else I like? You can be dressed down and wear this bag, and certainly you look like you're worth $100 million. I don't know, something about this bag that I love so much. I mean, here are the other things that I put in my bag. I have this. Wait, let me take that out. It doesn't belong here. I have this little bag here. It's like a jewelry bag. I used to subscribe to this jewelry subscription box called Emma and Chloe, and they would send me, oh my gosh, the bag is so dirty. They would send me jewelries once a month. Super cute little piece of jewelry, but I stopped the subscription because a lot of them I was just not wearing. But I have tons of those little bags now, because every time they send a jewelry, it comes in a little bag. So I use them to put the stuff that I need, like a charger for my phone. What else do I have in my bag? I have an actual portable charger that I think I can put in there if I really need to. No, I don't want to put it there. Can I fit it in there? No, I don't want to fit it in there. Not necessary. Oh, my headphones. I need these. Yeah, I know I should have Bluetooth headphones. The problem I have with Bluetooth headphones is that you have to charge them and they run out of batteries. These never run out of batteries. They're annoying because they link to your phone, but they don't run out of freaking batteries. So I need these. Oh, I have a lip gloss that I have not, that I'm almost done actually. It's from NARS. It's from, I think it's from last summer. But I love it. It's from one of the James Berking's daughters. I think it's Lou or one of those girls. And they did a collab with NARS. Those are French actors, by the way. They did a collab with NARS, and they came up with those beautiful, very natural. I'm looking at my reflection on my lens, so I like how, you know, simple, natural, It looks like it's deep red, but really it's very, very settled and simple. So once in a while, I can throw this in there. That works. Yeah. Yeah. And that's it. That's all I have in there, you know. A pen from my agency. And then, oh yeah, and then a hairnet because I'm a fit model. I do fittings for a living. I fit clothes. And my hair needs to be out of the way. But with those marvelous curls, um, if I put them up in a ponytail, then I'm pretty much screwed for the rest of the day. I have to kind of wear a ponytail for the rest of the day because my hair is just messed up. So my solution is to wear this amazing hairnet to get my hair out of the way, especially now that they're long. It brings my hair like higher up above my shoulders, and it keeps the curls, it keeps my curl pattern from being all messed up. So I would put this on for the fittings. I would look like a what you call it, fast food you know, somebody who serves you food at the cafeteria, but I don't care. And then it puts my hair up above my shoulders so that they have access to the garment without having to move my hair around. And my curl pattern stays like that. And then voila. And then when I'm done, I take it out, I shake my hair, I scrunch a little bit, and boom, I'm back to normal me. That's it. That's all that there is in my handbag. Um, I can only put what's absolutely necessary in this bag. All right, my loves, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys next week. By the time you see this video, I'll probably be in France, enjoying myself with my papa, with my dad, and Ella. So the next video you'll see is more than likely going to be in France, if everything's on schedule. And then voila. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next week, my love, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.